Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will share with you a very astonishing event. You'll be shocked to hear that even plants do talk to each other, do chat to each other, do express their feelings to each other. In 1901, Indian scientist J.C. Bose, Jagdish Chandra Bose, he discovered a crystallograph. Through that, he came to know that the plants can move. He discovered the plants' movement. In 1980, research were done on 80 plant species, and it was noticed that they do talk to each other. But remember, not in words like we talk to each other, through their signals. But recently, Japanese scientists at Saitama University, they caught the plants while talking. The research was done. They took one of the plant with a caterpillar eating on it and another plant with the normal one. They put in a container with the air pumps fitted in that. They found that the plant which was injured due to caterpillar was releasing an airborne mist of fine organic chemicals, which was nothing but a fluorescent signal, a fluorescent wave passing through the leaves and bursting into calcium signals. These signals were responded. Not only that, the plants which were normal, ordinary plants where there were no cuts, no injury, they could respond the signals which the injured plant was passing through. By this way, the normal plant where leaves were normal, not injured, they could gather the signal and their defense mechanism used to come in action and they get themselves saved from the threat. So this research which the scientists they did at the Saitama University, you cannot see with the naked eyes. Actually, they designed a genetically modified biosensors which could detect the fine mist of airborne organic chemicals translated in the form of fluorescent signals, fluorescent waves rushing through the leaves, which were bursting out in calcium signals. So these calcium signals were detected for feelings and all that for the plants. So for the first time it was noticed that even plants do talk to each other. I let you know, 1400 years ago in Mecca, Meccans they asked miracle from beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. They asked that if you ask that tree come to closer to you, we will believe that you are a true prophet. Beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he called the tree, he commanded the tree to come to closer to him. The tree along with the roots comes out and comes closer to beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. Beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, then commanded, go to your place. The tree went to its place and remained as it was. Not only that, if you remember, today scientists have reached to this state that plants do talk to each other. In near future, when science will be advanced, you will come to know, scientists will discover that even the non-living things, they do interact, they do talk to each other. Remember, beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, said while passing with companions through a mountain valley, said that these mountains send salutations on me. And not only that, during the battle of Ahamad, beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, with companions was on the top of the Uhud mountain. He stamped on the mountain and said that don't shake on you. There is a prophet, there is a martyr, and there is a Siddiq, the truthful one. Not only that, if you remember, Hazrat Dawood alayhi Islam, when he used to recite Zabur, the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even the mountains and trees they used to recite with him. So it means that a time will come in near future when the scientists will prove that not only living things, even the non-living things do interact with each other. They talk to each other in their own languages, in their own signals. So I can say the science is developing, and the mystery of the glorious Quran and the power of beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is getting opened like the opened book. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.